Biscuit! 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 Come here. So I'm eating a little bit of everything. Mary, you be good. I got you on camera now. You better behave.
Honey's ready for some grain.
Yeah, she's always ready. Come on, little man. Come on, little man. Biscuit. He's trouble, isn't he? Biscuit. He's gonna go where Dexter's going. You better come back here. Uh-oh. I can't keep up with him. Okay.